Hey guys, this is Scott Expat in the Philippines. Kumusta? Maganda umaga. Well, this morning I'm going to show you what I brought a couple of days ago. Did the lawn, and it is awesome. Oh yeah, lost it. It's in my car. Went down into the center console pocket, so I can get it out. Just a matter of when. And I've got to make that elusive appointment I don't want to make because it costs $200 here to get a tooth taken out, and it costs a bit more to get another one added to the plate. If I can get that tooth out of there, I can reuse that tooth to go in on the plate. But anyway, that's not what we're here for today, is it? We're here to have a look at my new ryobi mower before it rains. Anyway, without further ado, here we go. Here it is, guys. The new ryobi lithium 18V grass catcher on the back. And it came with a battery, so now I've got two spare batteries. The battery goes in that black compartment at the front, so that's okay. But does it sound quiet? Oh my god. Never ever had a quiet motor mower as this one. Yeah, so the new battery goes in there. You have a key start. So that's that. I'll put that in now. It's all charged up. It's ready to go. So I'll charge that up. I've got the other one charged up as well. This here is your adjustment for grass, how high you want the level, how high you want the mower to run over the grass. Pretty swifty. And it's got a 33 centimetre bucket on the back for grass catching. It's a pretty trendy looking little mower. A sec. Start button. And click up there. And she should go. So wow, awesome. That's how it starts, guys. Just push that button and hit this, push this lever in, and it starts it up. So they're good little mowers. So as you can see, I've got the ryobi vacuum, which comes with the nozzle that's on it now, as well as the little handheld brush for the seats. And I've got also the floor for the inside vacuum. When you're vacuuming the floor, the ryobi hand drill, which I brought a another plug for because I lost that at West Point Ford. I've got the ryobi drill set, which is the big ryobi there, and the battery pack for the mower. And I've also got a battery pack. Hang on a sec. There's more. The other battery pack, which is that big one there, for the mower and the drill. The vacuum is plugged into the wall, which is good. They're awesome. I've got to get another bag to go inside that vacuum. I'm trying to get the right ones. I'll also keep the instructions. The ryobi drill comes with all those drill bits and parts. I am missing 2 drill bits at the bottom of the big ones, and I'm missing 4 up the top. Bad habit of breaking drills sometimes, maybe going too hard on them. Anyway, we'll be back. I've got to go and do the lawns, guys. I'll catch you soon. But they're my tools. As I said, I'm after got to get the blower next. And I've got a hedge clipper as well, but that's a Bosch. So we won't mention anything about that. So we'll be back later, guys. The good thing I will say, guys, on these is where your hand grips are up there, you can take one hand off and leave the other hand on. It still keeps the mower going, which is great. That's awesome. The other thing on this mower is that, if you take your hands off the hand grips there, left or right, it stops, which is great. So you can change that bag and take it off and clean it. I'll just toast the bag, which is over on the thing swinging. I'll let it air dry. This I'll wipe with the chamois. I'll go wet the chamois and wipe it over with the chamois. I won't put the hose on it because I'm a little bit cautious on electricals. Not saying don't do it. If you want to hose it down, go for your life. Just a quick spray. That's all it needs. But I'll use a chamois on this like I use from a car. The good part, it's awesome. It doesn't even give Snowy the shits. She doesn't bark at it as much, which is great. The whippersnapper is the opposite. She loves dueling with that. One day she's going to cut her nose off. Hey, Ancha, sit. What do you reckon? What do you reckon of the new mower? Yeah, good. It's got your thing. She chases it like a sheep, would you believe? But it doesn't annoy her. It doesn't hurt her ears. It's so sensitive, which is good. And she enjoys being out in the garden with me, and I enjoy being out in the garden with her. Now she's not clowning around and barking and jumping up and down. So the main thing, and Granny had her sleep before, so it didn't even bother her, which was great. So I'm going to wipe this down and take the battery pack out and put it on charge. That way I've got it ready for next time. And I just think they're totally awesome. And Thanks, Nico. You, from Nico's experience, you converted me, but not in that way. But you know what I mean. Change over. My brother said the ryobis are good. I have got a Ozito whippersnapper, but that could be in the mix to get a new one and change over to the ryobi as well as the blower. So we'll look into how much they are in the next couple of days. It's charging up now, and it's because I hadn't let it go right down. It's still got two to go. It'll flash and then it'll stop on what it has with the power in it, which is good. Don't leave them too long. Take them off the battery pack when they're fully charged, and you'll have them forever. So, what do I think about it? I think it's bloody bonza, mate, and I think it's great. Good mower, top mower. All their tools are good, from the drills to their thing. But and once I get hold of one of those, watch out, Scotty. Watch out, world. And thank you, Nico's experience, for putting me onto this. Watched you do yours in the wet the other day, and really good, really awesome. And even though yours is a different colour, yours is grey and I think yellow. Um, it looks good. It's bigger and does the trick. And you know, the other good thing about it, when you take the bag off the back, you don't have that fear of cutting your hand if you have to reach in to grab some grass that's been wet if you've mowed the lawn after it's been raining for a couple of days and it's still a bit damp and a bit gets caught in there and shuts it off. That's the other thing. When you get too much grass in that grass catcher, it will turn itself off. What more can you ask for, guys? Bloody bonza mowers. You got to get a job done, use a ryobi. Because I highly recommend them and I reckon they're great. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you on the next expat in the Philippines. Oh, we will be doing a live soon, guys. I've been waiting for daylight savings to finish here so I can get the times right. So there will be a live coming up. So keep your eyes out and Monday and Friday nights, 12 a.m. Australia time, 9 p.m. Philippine time. So we'll catch you around about then. Take care, enjoy, and have fun. So from me and Snowy, have a great, happy Thursday and enjoy and have fun because we love you guys and we enjoy having you. Please like, comment and subscribe. I don't say it enough on our videos. Even though I'm a kids channel, if you got something, you got a beef or anything, you want to say something to me, I'm all for it. I have no problems. I have no issues. We'll sort it out. We'll have fun And remember, as I say, life is good. Bye for now. Say bye, Snowy.